Okay, so this part of the video is just about how to set up your GitHub. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to come to the first web page here. HTTP, I don't know why, but the www is giving me a little bit of trouble, so I'll look up the permissions on that. But basically what we're going to be doing is each and every team member is going to come to the main project. You'll find information here about your different teams. And if you want to learn more about your team, you can actually see some of what you guys will be doing. Let's go back to home. The first thing I want you guys to do is I want you to set up your GitHub pages. This is how you're going to be doing your projects, your repos, and all the work along the way. So just jump on over to GitHub. Now, when you go to the project page, you're going to notice there's a project, and underneath the project, there's several different repos. Each team has their own repo. That's where you'll be doing your work. That's where you'll be tracking all your information and all your work. So you'll only be using GitHub, and you need to know how to use Git. So I'll create a link to maybe a quick tutorial on how to use GitHub. Also, you'll need to be signed in. If you're not signed in, you'll need to go sign in. Now, when you sign in, just as a quick note, people sometimes get the organization mixed up with their own repositories. So over here, you can see these are all my repos. But when I come over here to the organization, you can see that they have a list of repos. These are where your repositories live. You don't have to fork it because I'm going to give each and every team access to be able to do the work directly there. Now, if you have a contributor that's going to help, they need to fork it and then do a pull request. So each and every team will create their own GitHub account if they don't already have one. Most of you should. Most computer students do. And then what you're going to do is you're going to request access to Southern Cross AI, and each and every team will be given an email to join. So I need to be able to see your username and stuff, and I will send you an invite. This will allow you to access your repository, which I'll give you guys full right to. Okay, change that right now. Change that in a second. I'll add it in a second. But I want you guys to be able to read and write to your roles here. Okay, do not give this to outside team members. They need to do pull request. Okay, so that's the first thing everyone needs to do is go to the main page here, set up a GitHub, and then I will add you to teams. From there, you'll be able to see your repository. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to go to your repo, and I want you guys to create a README page for this. I don't want you to necessarily code by hand. What I want you to actually do, let's just go ahead and open this up. I want you to actually use ChatGPT. If I don't see the team using some sort of AI, especially since we're AI people, that's ridiculous. Now, I know a lot of other classes, you're not allowed to use it, or they say don't use it, and here I encourage it, and I want to see you using it. So let's go ahead and create a README for my ModelWorks TEAM. Okay. Didn't spell that very well. So this will be the next thing you do is create a README page. Let's see how it looks here. Nope, did not give it to me in markup. No, I need the markup. Oh, a line with my